How do you write a proposal? It's actually kind of it's a trick question because really you think about it. I've talked with a lot of people in just not just the design industry, but also in any type of sales organization. And sometimes it's, oh, we throw over a deck and it just wins the deal, or we throw over a list of stuff we're gonna do with prices next to it. That's a quote or an invoice. But again, let me explain something. A proposal should represent your brand and what you're going to do to help them and be about them. Okay, so it's a quick, hey, this is who we are, what we're about, and then in a sense addressing their needs and their goals. We are a Proposify partner. We've used it for a couple years now, and we absolutely love it. I do recommend check it out. And feel free to give us a call. What we've done for some of our partners and accounts is we, in a sense, design the templates and then share it with them so they can kind of just hit the ground running and not have to design. So if you're not a design agency, if you're in a different industry, healthcare, education, what have you, but you're looking to build something that's a little bit more than just a sales deck or some type of PowerPoint presentation. If you're looking to up your game a little bit, where what I like about Proposify is you can kind of get signatures, you can even get payments, you can do a lot in that tool that automates a lot of your other processes throughout your organization. So I'm a fan of Proposify. There's other ones out there that are great, but I think Proposify is definitely on the edge of leading the pack in the last couple of years. They've really upped their game. So feel free to reach out, ask me any questions you want, Ryan at Energy Hill, and talk to you soon.